Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to replace a light fixture on a bathroom, but the problem they had is they put this bracket here where the light is going to go, this box right here, and it was all loose, and the light fixture was very heavy for it. And what happened is whoever installed it just installed it on drywall. But luckily we have here a stud on a side, so we're gonna have to start to see if we can secure it on the side stud. We're gonna make two holes, one in the bottom and the top, to try to secure this box properly in the stud. So remember, always learn from my mistakes and cover this wire, even if the light switch is down. The light switch is down right now, but just in case someone by mistake come and try to turn it on, I'm protected here because that's why I'm putting the cups right here. So let's say they're gonna start to open a hole. I do it with a drill or with a drill bit, trying to open the holes to secure our box to the 2x4 that I have on the side. Unfortunately, there is no wood on the back to secure it. So as you can see, that I'm trying to do on the side. Why I'm opening the holes before I put it? Because the material sometimes is hard. It's good to have a pilot holes on it to go into the wood, so it will be better and faster and easier. So as you can see right now, it's perfect. It's a study. So now we're gonna prepare our bracket right here. So we're gonna open the new light. I already removed the older light fixture. As I say, if you are working with electricity and the switch is down, there is no power. I previously used a tester. You always gotta have a tester, yes or yes, when you're working with electricity, and make sure there is no power. So this is part of taking parts and putting things together, getting things settled. This is the bracket where it's gonna go mounted, and in that box is compatible with those screws you see me taking right now. And you know, it's pretty much a standard, so that's how you hang lights. So there is two different sets of lights, one in the ceiling and one over the mirror. This is the one that I'm doing over the mirror. That's why you see the other light switch is off. So as you can see, I'm preparing it to get it installed. Well, as you can see, we're ready. We're gonna put the bracket, we're gonna align it, we're gonna use the screw that comes with it and put it back together to this box. And we're gonna try to accommodate the bracket the way I want it, required depending on how the light fixture is. That's the orientation is gonna have. So these two studs that you see that are longer are for hanging the light, as you can see. After that, we're gonna see if we can make some adjustment as necessary. That's why you have to make sure you charge for the job, for the work done properly, because you have to take your time, make sure everything is well. Of course, you want to perform a pretty good job for the people. The people will be happy with the job. That's the main goal of every handyman or electrician, to make sure the customers are happy. Otherwise, you wouldn't have to be called. The reason why the wire doesn't have a wire net is because the power is off, and I put a lock out or blocking the switch, making sure nobody touch it. So I previously also double check that there is no power, and use your non-contact voltage device or tester to make sure there is no power. Now I have the wires ready to get installed, and I have our light fixture here. I made some adjustment even when I placed it and installed it. So we're gonna put one by one, starting with the ground, and finishing with the high power, which is, there is a color code in electricity. So in this case, I started with the ground. As you can see, ground to ground, there is a wire in the light fixture. I'm putting them together with a wire nut right now. And as you can see, I put the white one there now. I got two already installed. And then I'm gonna do at the end the power, which is the black one. And this is color code, so you know the bare wire is always ground, the copper wire and the other two. So we're gonna try to accommodate this light. As you can see, it fits good, but I still need to make some adjustments. Then let me see if I put it back in. Let's see, I just bring it back out to adjust. This stud is too much out, and the light is not properly sitting with the wall. You have to be flush with the wall. That's what we want here. That's the last step that I'm doing right now, trying to adjust this to make it fit properly. Once we did the necessary adjustment, we have it flush with the wall, and then deep enough so over there, so we are ready to put the nuts that hold it. It's just manually tied. So as you can see, I'm gonna put them right now, one on the top and one on the bottom. So that's why we have the holes that the stud cross, and then we put by hand. So that's what I'm doing right now basically. After this, we're gonna finish to put the other light covers and bulbs, and we're gonna be ready to test the light soon. Before I finally tie this, I'm gonna put a level, make sure it's level, and that's it. As you can see, we got it level properly, and make sure that everything works great. Finally, what we're gonna do is put the rest of the parts together. Just very easy, make sure we do it right, correctly, and put the rest of the light fixture together. We just take this cup and put the glass cover. As you can see, we put it up, and be careful, don't drop anything. If you break anything, that's it. So as you can see, we got it. It's level and where it's supposed to be, okay? And just because I understand human beings and they might say, oh, he stole the video from somewhere else, I'm here doing it, and you can see it's me doing the job, nobody else, okay? Thank you for watching. And let's just test and see what happened right now. Did I success? Yes, I did. Thank you for watching this video. I see you next time.